Hiya folks, this is one of those video shorts that is too short. This is the Sena S10. It is new. I have just purchased it. I haven't even peeled the plastic off of it yet. I'm going to demonstrate the helmet clip on this unit right now. So let's say I'm reaching up with my hand and I want to hit the button back here. So I'm fumbling around and I'm going 60 miles an hour and blink, and the unit pops off. So I've just lost the unit at 65 miles an hour. Putting it back on is a little tricky. You have to slide it in and pop it in. So while you're riding with this thing, you can accidentally tap the top of the unit and bam, you've lost it. So whoever thought of this as something functional, you weren't really smart. You weren't thinking. You should never put the release for the unit on top of the unit, because people don't always come up from the underside to touch things. Sometimes they miss and they come across the top and your unit is gone. So that's the Sena S10, folks. Wow, I'm going to have to do something about that. I'm going to have to Velcro the unit on and putty around the outside edge to make sure that even if I tap this, the unit doesn't accidentally roll away and wind up in the street. So, wow, Sena designers, you need to take a tip from Christopher Thunder and learn how to make stuff. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.
To be continued!
What did I say?
To be continued!
This is Christopher Thunder, and I'll see you next time.